Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss all the practical topics in chapter number 4, word processor tabular presentation. So the first topic is creating a table. So in MS Word we can create a table by using three ways. So one by one we will discuss all the three ways to insert a table in MS Word. So to insert a table in MS Word, firstly we will click on Insert tab, then we will click on table option. Here you can select the number of rows or the number of columns. See, now the table is inserted in MS Word. Second method is we will click on insert tab, then we will click on table option. Then here is the option quick tables. Quick table is the option that basically help us to insert a preset table. Preset means already created table. So we can choose any table and the table will get inserted in our document. So the third way to insert a table in MS Word is, again we will click on insert tab, table option, and second option is draw table. Draw table is an option that is used when we want to draw a table according to our own needs. Okay, so see here is a pencil and we can draw a table and the number of columns and rows according to our need. See, in this example I have drawn the table with 3 columns and 2 rows. And as I already told you, in a table these small boxes are known as cells. So the next topic is entering the data in a table. So to entering the data in a table means writing the data inside the cells. Cells means boxes. So to write anything inside a particular box, what we have to do, we will click inside a particular box, then we will use keyboard to type the data. For example, see, and to move from one box to another box, either we can use the arrow keys from the keyboard or either we can use mouse button. So in this way we can enter the data in a table. So next topic is deleting a table. We can also delete a table in MS Word that we don't need in a future. So to delete a table, we will click anywhere in the table and then see here is the option layout. We will click on layout option. Then see here is a delete option. We will click on this one arrow. And the last option is delete table. And see the table is deleted. So next is editing a table. Editing means to perform some changes in a table. So whenever we want to perform any change in a table, firstly we have to select the cells in a table. First point is to select a single cell. Single cell means a single box. So if you want to select a single box, then you have to triple click the box. Triple click means you have to 3 times you have to quickly click the box. Okay. For example, we want to select this one box, second box, then we quickly 3 times we will click this one box. See, the box is selected now. Next topic is to select an entire row. Suppose we want to change something in an entire row, then and we want to select a full entire row. So what we will do, we will place the mouse pointer here and we will click once. So with this, entire row will get selected. Next topic is selecting an entire column. So if you want to select an entire column, so then place the mouse pointer here and quickly click with the mouse. See, with this, entire column is selected. Next is adding rows in a table. So to insert the if suppose we want to add more data in a table, then to insert new rows in a table, what we will do, we will click here, then we will click on layout option. Here is the option insert above and insert below. Insert above option means you want to insert a new row above the selected row. Insert below option means you want to insert a row below the second selected row. Okay, firstly we will choose insert above option. So with this, the new row is inserted above the selected row. Then we will choose insert below option. With this, the new row is selected below is inserted below the selected row. Okay. Next is adding columns in a table. Suppose we want to add new column in the table, then we will click in the column. Again we will click on layout tab. Here is the option insert left and insert right. Insert left means it will insert new column on the left side of selected column. See. Then second option is insert right option. Insert right option means it will insert new column on the right side of selected column. So our next topic is deleting a row. So in MS Word we can delete any row that we don't need in future. So to delete a row, we will click in the anywhere in the row, then we will click on layout tab. Here is the option delete. We will click on this one arrow, and third option is delete rows. With this, the selected row is deleted from the table. Next is deleting a column. Suppose we don't want a particular column in a table, so we can delete that column. Firstly click inside that column, then click on delete option. Here is the second option, delete columns option. With this, the selected column will be deleted from the table. Our next topic is changing height of a row. We can also change the height of the row. To change the height of the row, what we will do, we will place the mouse pointer on the bottom border of the row. See, the mouse pointer changes its shape. Now we will drag the mouse downwards. So with this, the height of the row is changed.